guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! And if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and also the ring notification bell so you will be notified if I have new video uploads. So for today, we have another video and I am going to speak in English because I have to, so my friends that don't understand Tagalog, they are able to understand it now. In this video, we are going to unbox and review this product that I ordered in noon. And now, let's start. I will open it now using these scissors. Yan. You can see in the title what I'm going to unbox. So, this is it. I ordered a ring light for my makeup vlogging. So now I have it. Thank you so much, bebe ko. Now let's open it. By the way guys, this ring light cost 55 dirhams or 54 like that. So without the shipping fee. The shipping fee is 10 dirhams, so the total is 64 or 65 dirhams. So now guys, I have my own ring light and I'm going to try it on and let's see how it is. Let's open this one. This is for what? There is only 3 things inside this ring light. This is stand and this is the other stand. I don't know where to put this one because they did not put any manual here, maybe because this is easy assembled and it's cheap. This one is for here. Yeah. And this other one, I don't know if maybe this is for the mobile, but I think the package is incomplete. I don't know. Well, as you can see guys, this ring light is a little bit smaller compared to other ring light. For me, this size is very fine because I don't have too much space in my room. This is very lightweight and I think it is good in 55 dirhams. So now guys, let's see how it is. Let's just find an adapter so we can plug this one. Wait. Let's plug it now. There you go guys. I already plugged this one. So as you can see the light. And there is positive switch. It's like switching the light, I guess. So I think that there is 3 options. The blue light, I think, then neutral light, and then the warm light. So you can use this one and then turn on and turn off and then lessen the light. So let's compare it. Here's the light. You can see the difference now. This is level 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's yeah. This is very nice. Thank you, Bebe, again. So let's just change into neutral. I think this is warm. So this is level 11. Then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. 0. 0. Then let's change again into warm light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is not that bad. Even I think this package is incomplete. There is no tripod for the mobile or maybe for the camera, but it's fine because this light is very good. What I can say in this ring light, this is very worth it, affordable and useful for me. So now I have ring light. We can do another makeup vlog with this one, using this one. So guys, let's end this video and I have nothing to explain more. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review video of me. For those who are here in Middle East, like Dubai, Saudi, like that, you can order this one in noon. I will just put the link on the description box so you can see where I ordered. Just check this one, guys. If you like, and if you don't like it, what to do? Don't check it. Ano daw? So guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share this video for who are interested to buy this ring light in noon. And also don't forget to comment down below for any suggestion or opinions. So please take care always, guys. Bye.